Hi, welcome to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I am going to demonstrate about JFrog. JFrog is a DevOps tool used to store and manage build artifacts in real-time projects. When our developers build code, the output files like jar or Docker images must be stored somewhere safely. The storage place is called JFrog Artifactory. The difference between JFrog and Nexus: core purpose, we can use Universal Artifact Repository Manager, part of the JFrog platform with DevSecOps and DevOps integration. Core purpose, we can use Nexus Repository Manager focused on Java, Maven, and common package formats like strong governance features. Supported formats in JFrog, especially 30 plus formats like Maven, NuGet, Helm, RubyGems, and Go, Terraform, etc. Supported formats in Nexus, major formats like Maven, NPM, NuGet, Docker, RubyGems, etc. This Nexus only fewer than JFrog Artifactory. Integration, come to the JFrog, deep CI/CD integration with Jenkins, GitHub, Bitbucket, Kubernetes, Terraform, etc. Integration, come to the Nexus repository, integrates well with CI/CD tools but less extensive than Artifactory JFrog. Security and compliance in the JFrog, built in DevSecOps feature vulnerability scanning, license compliance via JFrog X-ray. Security complex in Nexus, strong governance, license like compliance and security scanning via Nexus lifecycle. Scalability, come to the JFrog, designed for enterprise scale, multi-site replication, high availability. Scalability in Nexus, well, but replication and enterprise features are more limited. Ecosystem, part of the large JFrog platform including X-ray, pipeline distribution. Ecosystem, come to the Nexus, part of Sonatype ecosystem include Nexus Lifecycle, Firewall, IQ Server. Advantages of JFrog: it supports 30 plus packages and Maven, NPM, Docker, making it a one-step solution for diverse tech stacks. Centralized Artifactory provides a single source of truth for binaries, ensuring consistency, reliability, and reproducibility across teams. For CI/CD integration, works seamlessly with Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Bitbucket pipeline, Kubernetes, and Terraform, enable smooth automation of build and deployment pipeline. Come to the scalability and high availability, designed for enterprise scale use with features like multi-site replication, clustering, and high availability setups. For coming to the security and compliance, integrated with JFrog X-ray for vulnerability scanning, license compliance, and DevSecOps practice, helping teams deliver secure software. Metadata and promotion, allowing tagging, metadata management, and Artifactory promotions across environments like dev, test, prod, ensuring controlled releases. For cloud and on-premises option like flexibility deployment models, availability as SaaS, hybrid, or fully on-premises depending on the organized needs. So these are some of the disadvantages like complex setup and maintenance. Artifactory can be heavy to configure and maintain, especially for small teams. It often requires dedicated infrastructure and admin effects. Resource intensive, it consume significant memory and CPU resource, particularly in enterprise scale deployments. This can lead to perform issue if not done properly. Cost, while there is an open source version, many advanced features like high availability, replication, and X-ray security scanning are only available in paid tier, which can be expensive for startup or small organizations. Conclusion: JFrog Artifactory is universal repository manager for storing and managing artifacts. It ensures consistency, reliability, and reproducibility in DevOps pipeline. It provides integrate with CI/CD tools, scalability, and enterprise-grade security. While powerful, it can be complex and resource-heavy, making it best suited for medium to large teams. Overall, Artifactory is a key tool for modern DevOps, enabling smooth collaboration and secure software delivery. Now, I will show you how we can install JFrog in the next video. Thanks for watching.